So how do we find our QR codes on our Facebook page? So this is for our Facebook business page, because again, we want to share our QR codes on there. So basically, again, you've got to do this on your mobile phone to get your QR code. So if we just go into this bit here, so I'm on my first Facebook feed. Make sure you are switched in to your personal profile, okay? To your business page profile. This isn't my personal profile. This is my page profile. Make sure you're switched into that. Otherwise, it's not going to work. You're then going to click just here and click on the search bar. Now for this one, it's going to bring up the search bar here. And actually what we want to do is type in QR code. Okay, so we just want to type in QR code there. Okay, and then we click search at the bottom here. So we just then want to click search. Then what we do is it's going to bring you up with this. So this is scanning. This is my photo image. Okay, so it's scanning my screen at the time. As you can see, it says scanner there. But actually, we want to click onto QR code here. Okay, and once you've done that, it will basically bring up your QR code. So again, you can share it on your profile, save it to your photos, and then you can print it onto any of your marketing material. And use it any way you want. Okay, so that's basically how you find your QR code on your Facebook business page. Again, if you've got any questions, just give me a shout and pop them in the comments below.